मॉस्किटो पढ़ने जा रही है क्लास 5th EVS 3rd पार्ट है ये उसका। A scientist peeps into a mosquito's stomach. साइंसदान ने मॉस्किटो के स्टमक में देखा। This interesting incident took place almost 100 years ago. जो ये इंटरेस्टिंग इंसिडेंट है ये आज से 100 साल पहले हुआ है। A scientist found out that mosquitoes spreads malaria. साइंटिस्ट ने देखा जो मॉस्किटो है इस मलेरिया फैलाते हैं। Let us read about this discovery in his own words. My father was a general in the Indian Army. जो साइंटिस्ट के जो फादर होते हैं ये इंडियन आर्मी में जनरल थे। I stayed to become a doctor. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था, मुझे डॉक्टर, मेरा एम था डॉक्टर बनना। But what I really liked was reading stories. मुझे पसंद था कि मैं कहानियों की किताबें पढ़ता था। Writing पोइट्री लिखता था। Music and drama in my free time I enjoyed doing all. जब मैं फ्री होता था तो मुझे ये सब मैं करता था। In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we now call malaria. उन दिनों हजारों लोग मर जाते थे मलेरिया से। The disease was found in areas where there was a lot of rain. ये बीमारी उन जगह होती थी जहाँ बहुत सारी बारिश पड़ती थी और in swampy places. People thought that the illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from the dirty swampy areas. लोगों का ये मानना था कि ये गैस से बीमारी है और लोग मर जाते हैं। They gave it the name malaria, which means bad air. One doctor had seen teeny germs in the blood of one of the patients when he observed it under a microscope, but he could not understand how these had got into the patient's blood. उसको वो परेशान हो गया ये पेशेंट के ब्लड में कैसे चला गया। My professor had some ideas about this. I think that these may be carried by some kind of mosquito. As his student, I spent all my time chasing mosquitoes to catch and observe. We used to carry empty bottles and chase mosquito after mosquito. Then we would put the mosquito in a mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. The mosquitoes would have a feast biting these patients. The patients were paid one anna for allowing one mosquito to bite them. इनको एक penny दी जाती थी इसके लिए ताकि उनको वो mosquito bite करे. I will always remember those days at the hospital in Sikandrabad. How we used to cut open the mosquito stomach and peep into it. हम mosquito का stomach cut करते थे और उसको peep करते थे. It would spend hours, घंटों लग जाते थे and hours bent over the microscope. By night my neck would be stiff and my eyes could not see clearly. मैं बहुत थका हुआ होता था और मेरी आँख मेरे को धुंधला सा दिखता था। It used to be very hot, but we dared not fan ourselves. बहुत hot होता था मगर हम डेयर नहीं करते थे कि हम आपको हवा कर सके। As all the mosquitoes would fly off in the breeze. Once I also fell ill with malaria. मैं भी बीमार पड़ गया, मुझे मलेरिया हो गया। I spent months like this with the microscope but could not find anything. One day we caught a few mosquitoes that looked different. एक दिन हमने कुछ ऐसे मॉस्किटोज पकड़े जो अलग दिख रहे थे। They were brownish. उनका रंग जो था वो ब्राउनिश कलर का था। With spotted wings. When I looked into the stomach of one of the female mosquitoes, I saw something black there. मैंने वहाँ कुछ black पाया। I looked closer. I saw that these tiny germs looked just like the ones that were found in the blood of the malaria patient. At last we had the proof mosquitoes did spread malaria. In the 1992, Ronald Rose got the highest award for his discovery, the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1995, even as he lay dying. Rose's last words were, I will find something new. Last words जो उसके थे मरने के समय, I will find something new. बेटा मुझे उम्मीद है आज को आपको ये टॉपिक समझ आया होगा। इसको अपने घर में 1-2 बार रीड कीजिएगा तो आपको ये पूरा समझ आ जाएगा। आज हमने पूरा लेसन पढ़ लिया। अल्लाह आपको खुश रखे, सलामत रखे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।